Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and list multiple items in one listing. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you're gonna go to this option called sale on top, and then go to this option called list an item just given below. And here you're gonna go ahead, get yourself an item that you want to list, right? So let's say we have pencil sharpener. Let's do with this one, and we're gonna go to this manual afterwards, and we're gonna tap on this search afterwards. So now we got it, right? If you want to find a match, we can do so. If you don't, we can simply go ahead, add in the brand, the type, the country, reason, manufacturer, etc. as well, and tap on this continue with our match. Afterwards, we're going to choose an option, new open box, and tap on continue your listing. After that, we tap on this got it, and now we'll find all of the information regarding our listing as well. What you're going to do is simply going to go ahead and add in the pictures, right? And then we're gonna add the item title, which is already there, item category. We can edit according to our need. Item specifics, you're gonna tap add in the brand, MPN, UPC, additional in the type, model, etc. The information as us, and condition, you can write it down as well if there is something that buyers should know, and description about your product and pricing, you can add it over there, and shipping method, and then payment method, primary sub service, everything you're gonna add it, right? So once you tap on this icon, you will actually access this option called a variation, including the settings. If you tap on this variation, where you're gonna turn on that variation option, and afterwards you're gonna go down to the bottom and tap on this listed. Once you have tapped on this listed option, you will be able to add any of the other products variation just right over there within the listing of this particular product that you have just added. So that is basically the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.